We're on a corner where we can see the Baloo Mission Church. This is the Mission Church of the Second Baptist Church of Holyoke. It was put out here because so many people from Holyoke were moving to Willimansett to go to Mass to get work and to move out of the city, and they needed to have their own church, and this started here at the corner where there's a lot of things to point out. We're not going to go up to 994 Chicopee Street, but that's an old farmhouse that belonged to the brother of John Pendleton. And there's a little bit of Holyoke out here. Remember the subway came through in 1890, and a lot of people are coming out here, and so this little place looks like a house, but it was a church, was built for them. Now behind us is the old Willimansett School. This was built for all the students now in this neighborhood. Remember, it's a trolley neighborhood, and trolley neighborhoods are going to develop very quickly. Now this school actually predates the trolley. The school is from 1879, but there was still a lot of activity in this area, and they needed it was very far from the Chicopee Center, Chicopee Falls, so they needed to develop a school here, and that's what you get. Its location is 1024 Chicopee Street, and I think it stayed a public school for about 90 years, and then they converted it into a restaurant. Now it's nothing at all. There's nothing in there. So this is one short of another house that we're going to examine, and it is 2 blocks short of the Willimansett Bridge, and so we're going to have views from both sides of Willimansett Bridge. So this started up a neighborhood, schools, churches, homes. That's where you need to get a neighborhood going. The neighborhood grew and grew. You can imagine by the year 1900 how many things were here. So thank you for coming on this up.